You need a tool that you're tired of, the cross wrenches suffering on a car, getting a tire off. Well, this is an impact brushless wrench, and it gives you just enough tools to get that tire lug nut off. Let's open it up, give you a nice close-up shot, what you get inside. Each of the sockets, this is a 13 millimeter, 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter, I'm guessing if this is a 21 millimeter stamped over here. Each one comes with the rubber band around, which is an O-ring, and its own little pin. Slide the O-ring, make sure the pin comes out. And what we're going to do is match up like for like, hole for hole, snap on the piece. And we're going to slide the pin through and put the O-ring over. And your tool is ready to use. On the bottom of the tool is an on and off switch, a 1, a 2, a 3, and 3 other lights showing the battery and the torque. You have a reverse button and a forward button and a locking button and a trigger. When the battery is fully charged, you're going to lock the unit into place. You can see we have green, orange, and red, 1, 2, and 3. And we press it, we're on number 2 and number 1. You did your tire work, you got everything back on. And all done, you want to make sure you got the tool nicely charged up. The impact wrench does a great job taking off your wheels, tightening up your wheels. Not a problem at all. Lug nuts, whatever bolts you need. We use impact wrenches on a job, and this will do a great job. The one thing that I would highly recommend is that don't lose that little pin. And sometimes the pin on the biggest one may not seat properly just in a tool alone. So make sure you keep them in the bag and don't lose them. Impact wrench, hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.